In this video, you'll learn how to sell Hamster Kombat on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully complete your sale on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the search bar, typically found at the top of the page. Type Hamster Kombat into the search bar and press enter. This action will display the token listing, allowing you to confirm that Hamster Kombat is listed and supported for trading. After confirming the token, check that the trading pair you wish to use is displayed, such as Hamster Kombat against Bitcoin or USDT. It is also important to ensure that your Hamster Kombat tokens are in your spot wallet. If the token does not appear in the search results, selling is not possible on Binance, and you should verify your token holdings. Next, open the spot trading interface by selecting the appropriate trading pair for Hamster Kombat. In the order panel, you will see options to buy or sell. Choose the sell option to proceed with your sale. You will then have the choice between a market order for immediate selling or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price for your token. If you opt for a market order, enter the amount of Hamster Kombat you wish to sell. Review the expected proceeds displayed, as this information will help you understand the potential earnings from the sale. Once you are satisfied with the details, submit the order and wait for it to be executed. The execution time may vary based on market conditions and liquidity. After your order has been executed, check your wallet to confirm the received funds. Reviewing your order history will provide you with details about the transaction, including the amount sold and the proceeds received. At this stage, decide whether to withdraw the funds to your bank account or reinvest them into other assets. It is advisable to monitor market conditions if you plan to engage in future trades and keep records for tracking or tax purposes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial